Or I lift but can't hang. Climbing humbles everyone on day one. That's normal. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Climbing is not strength first. It's coordination plus grip plus patience plus problem solving. Strong guys get pumped and fall off. Light guys get scared 3 feet off the ground and freeze like statues. Smart beginners, they progress. Your only real job at the start. Learn how to move, not how to pull. Before you walk into that gym one, your legs do the work. Your arms just hold on. Picture this. You're halfway up the wall, arms screaming, forearms turning into concrete. That means you climbed with your ego. Legs burning like you just did squats, arms feeling fresh. That's climbing done right. Your legs are elevators that lift you up. Your arms, just hooks that keep you attached. Think of it like climbing a ladder. You don't pull yourself up each rung with arm strength. You step up and let your arms hang on. That's it. 2. You will fall. You will watch a 12-year-old float past roots that make you struggle. That's not failure. That's feedback. Every fall teaches which foot slipped and why, where your weight should have been, how to breathe through the scary part, when to rest before you blow out. Good climbers don't avoid falling. They fall intelligently, close to the wall, controlled, learning something each time. Bad climbers death grip until their arms give out, then peel off like a wet sticker. 3. Day 1. Your fingers will give out fast. You'll look at your hands like they betrayed you. Expected. Normal. Not a problem. The only plan you need at the gym. Climb easy routes. Yes, the ones with holds the size of melons. Yes, the ones marked with tape that says, kids' birthday parties. Why? Because you need movement reps, like learning to ride a bike. Repetition builds flow. Confidence, falling from 6 feet is scary until it isn't. Session structure, 5 to 10 minutes warm-up, climbing. Literally just hang on stuff, move around, wake up your body. 6 to 10 easy routes / problems. The kind where you think, I could do this in my sleep. Rest often. Sit down between climbs, shake out your arms, breathe. Stop before your forearms explode. When you feel the pump creeping in, you're done. Leave the gym feeling slightly tired, not like you got hit by a truck. That's how you come back tomorrow instead of being wrecked for a week. Mistakes that will wreck you. Don't be that person. Death gripping every hold, like you're hanging off a cliff in an action movie. You're not. Relax. Locking elbows constantly. Arms straight, shoulders shrugged, up to your ears. Jumping to dynos. Those explosive parkour-style jumps you saw on Instagram. Save it for month 6. Training fingerboards early. Tiny edges. Max hangs. Ego-driven suffering. Fast track to injury. If your elbows, fingers, or shoulders hurt, stop. Climbing rewards patience, not stupidity. Simple beginner training plan. Climbing day. 60 to 90 minutes. Focus on quiet feet. Place them deliberately. Don't slap the wall like you're swatting flies. Slow movement. Rushing burns energy. Smooth is fast. Day B. Home strength. 20 to 30 minutes. You only need basics. 1. Dead hangs. 2 to 4 sets of 15 to 30 seconds. Hang from a pull-up bar, door frame, anything stable. 2. Push-ups. 3 times 10 to 20. Shoulder balance, injury prevention. 3. Rows. 3 times 10 to 15. Pull something toward you. Dumbbells. A towel wrapped around a pole. Builds pulling strength. 4. Squats 3 times 15. Remember, legs are elevators. 5. Plank. 2 times 30 to 60 seconds. Core tension equals body control on the wall. Don't sag like a hammock. No fancy drills. No YouTube circus moves. No advanced climber hacks. Just basics done consistently.